I decided to attend the event today because I was really interested in how to balance the various different priorities that we have in delivering our mobility system, so particularly around safety, efficiency, and also that we need to serve the communities that are using our transport systems.
This community is great for us to understand what our technology needs to do in order to support the sector.
SMLL and TRL bring together partners from public, private, together in order to understand the issues of the day around, dynamic curbsides and roads of the future.
I think there are three main challenges that we face today. The first is safety. So we want people to be able to use the transport system safely without fear of injury or losing their lives.
Access to the curbside and having a consistent approach from local authorities.
So that element of inclusivity, I think, is really, really important. I think you've got to be looking at mobility that is sustainable, so thinking about our planet.
Today we have been discussing several topics about how to make transport more accessible, more safe, cleaner. Our technology and our simulation platform allow us to test different strategies.
Inclusivity, and I hadn't necessarily considered it, and I hadn't considered what electric vehicle consumer was, and focusing on the wealth area.
In particular, thinking around how I advise National Highways in what they're doing next in terms of safety. They have an ambition for Vision Zero.
The level of interactivity and the opportunity to network with really like-minded professionals is probably what sets it apart from other events.
All of those different interests, different perspectives really help to build the conversation and get to better answers, I think, into how we improve the transport system.
If I had to summarize the event in one word, I would use the word perception.
Collaborative.
Enlightening.
Positively challenging. It's been a great day today. I'd definitely recommend people join the SMLL community simply to benefit from the richness of the discussions that we have, the variety of conversations, the variety of perspectives.
It feels like being a member of a VIP club, so I really recommend to come because you're treated well and the subjects are absolutely fascinating as well.
Join up, be part of it, be part of the solution and help shape the future mobility of the UK.